Hi, are you a retiree looking out for a business to do, or you are an entrepreneur looking out for another means of livelihood that even gives you means of having a passive income? I am a businesswoman with 17 years experience in consumable item businesses. I have also helped a lot of business owners get a business started and well-rooted. But one thing that always strikes me is the ability to keep on working as a business owner without getting tired. Is that really possible? You will get tired one day, but it is very important to put up something now that can really be a means of having a passive income business at the time of retirement. Whether you are working for somebody or you're working for yourself, you're sure going to retire one day. And that is why I've got a wonderful training for you. I have a platform that helps you earn minimum of 45% ROI on your investments. And you do this seamlessly through an AIA bot that trades for you on forex. Forex has been in existence for a longer period of time. So many people have gotten their fingers burnt in the process of trading forex manually. Because look, as humans, your feelings, your emotions, your mood can affect your trading, irrespective of what you have. That is if you trade manually. The second one is the copy trading, where you use the expertise trade to do your own trade. And the third one, which emanated because of this internet age, is the AIA bot. A bot is just a robot that has been programmed to do exactly what is being asked to do. And a robot has been programmed to trade with your capital without your capital being affected. It trades and makes profit for you and gives you minimum of 97% accuracy on the trade. Why don't you give it an eye? I have a webinar that is holding, and we have just few slots for anyone that comes in now to know more about what we've got for you. What are you supposed to do? How are you supposed to get started? And what is going to be your ROI? On daily basis. You earn on daily basis. This is too good not to have an eye at. I want you to click the button right away to have a look at what we've got for you. See you in the webinar.